Hey everybody. Okay, this is part 3 of my at build. And okay, so last time you saw it was primed in black. I sprayed certain areas in white, just certain spots, areas, not the whole thing. And then I went ahead and I used this is Tamiya Sky Gray XF19. It looks good, although I think for my taste it might be a little dark. I think I might have wanted something lighter, but I'll see. I might keep it this way. Everything went together pretty well. There's one leg joint that for some reason likes to pop out a little bit, but if you're not moving around too much, it's okay. So you definitely want to attach the legs to the undercarriage before you put the top on. But yeah, this, you can manipulate this a lot. You can, this rotates, the knees rotate, and even they rotate in and out from the center. So, and this is the display stand it came in. I might do a bigger one. Of course, I have the in scale snow speeder, so I might do something with that. Who knows? Everyone seems to be doing that. Seems like a good idea. But anyway, the only other thing I gotta do later is some weathering. So I'm gonna let you guys know what I decide on the weathering, and or whether I make this a little bit lighter or not. I'm not sure, like I said, but for right now, I think it looks pretty cool. All right, guys. That's it for now. Till next time.